republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
But I call them like I see them. I know what you are, baby. Womanizer, womanizer, you're a womanizer, oh, womanizer, oh, you're a womanizer, baby. You are, you.
Hey DSMS, it's Megan and Elise, and we're here with the February 15th edition of DSMS TV News. There's a band concert coffee house night on February 22nd from 6 to 9:30 p.m. in the cafeteria.
Spirit Club is meeting at 2:45 until 3:15 in room 803.
If you are in Leadership Club and have not received your t-shirt or bucks,
please stop by the office during stat today.
And now to Haley with birthdays.
Up in the club, just broke up, I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip.
It's Haley here with the birthdays. Today's birthdays are Jacob Bickers, Ben Buzis, and Dominic Vitale. This weekend's birthdays are Rebecca Cohen, Christian Lopez, and Stefanos Nikolopoulos. Hope you have a terrific birthday. Now to Meredith with the sports.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be rocking over that.
Hey DSMS, it's Meredith here with the sports. The 7th grade girls volleyball team beat Mountain Trail twice with scores of 25-15 and 25-18, moving their overall record to 3-0. Their goal at practice today is to beat the boys in both volleyball and football. The 7th grade boys football suffered their first loss of the season, falling to Mountain Trail by a score of 45-30. Joe Terlizzi had a pair of touchdowns and Alex Schillingberg had 2 extra points. The boys plan to rebound in their next game on February 19th at Vista Verde. The 8th grade boys flag football team crushed Mountain Trail in a thrilling game that culminated in Dominic Vitale's interception in the end zone to seal a 24-21 win. Henry Walsh was the clear MVP on the day with 2 touchdowns, 1 interception, and 1 extra point. An excellent individual effort highlighted by tough team defense. Well done, boys. That's all for sports. Now back to the anchors.
My red, black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire, cool like fire.
We're back.
There is no school on Monday.
Encore is meeting after school from 2:40 to 3:40.
Do you like throwing frisbees?
Well, here's a video about ultimate throwing frisbees.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work, 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 work. On diamonds all in my ring, player. Gold watches, gold chain, player. 100,000 champagne, player. Yeah, my money insane, player. Yeah, I'm making it rain, player. But I was just on a plane, player. Buying gear, flying here. It ain't what you heard, it's my time of year. If I'm in the club, I get 100 stacks. I'm always rolling up, so I get love for that. I heard he stole my swag, but I don't want it back. I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet for a song.
We're back again. That's all for today, DSMS. Have a frantic, fun-filled Friday.